Chapter 4 Video. Bella comes the next day and the day after. She comes every day for a week. We talk about music and watch the best bands on Video Space. We play the guitar and we laugh and have a good time. I like her. I like her a lot. She's interesting and she's beautiful. She's my friend. I have a friend. It feels good. Is she more than a friend? No. Is she? I don't know. But why am I thinking about this? My family never stays in the same town for more than a year. I'm going to make friends with Bella, and then my mom and dad are going to say, "Sorry, Alex, we're moving." But I don't want to say goodbye again. Not to Bella. On Tuesday night, a week after our first lesson, Bella asks, "Can you play me a song?" What? I want you to play. Sometimes I play some chords because I'm showing Bella something, but usually I teach and she plays. I don't know, I say. Go on, Alex. One song. Me play for Bella? Nobody listens to my music. My mom and dad do, sometimes, but no one from school. I play for me. Please, Alex, Bella says. Why? You're really good, and I want to listen to you, she says. You always listen to me. Play the new Fly song. You can play it. You told me yesterday. I think about it for a second or two. Please, 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 Alex. So I say yes, because I want Bella to be happy. It's only one song. I take my guitar and play her the Fly song. I think about the music, and for a minute or two, I forget about everything and sing and play. Well, nearly everything. I don't forget about Bella. And when the song ends, she smiles and claps. Amazing, Alex! I smile. It feels okay playing for Bella. Can you play me one of your songs too? She asks. You said one song. I know, but I really want to hear one of your songs. I look at her, and I can't say no. Okay. I play it, and Bella loves it. Alex, play it again, she says. But this time, can I take a video of you on my phone? What? I want to take a video of you. Why? I say. Because I love the song and I want to listen to it at home. I don't want to say no to Bella, but I really don't like this idea. Go on, Alex. I don't know, Bella. Please, 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 please. Oh, okay, I say. For you. She's smiling and laughing. I play the song again, and she records it. I don't like being in front of a camera, but a voice in my head is saying, Bella wants a video of me. After the lesson, Bella leaves. I think about her with a video of me on her phone, and I smile. I get my guitar and I start writing a new song. This one is about Bella. It's 7 o'clock on Wednesday morning, and I'm in bed. I look at my phone. I have 4 texts from Bella, and they all say, "Call me." I call her. Hi, Bella. Are you okay? Yes. Are you at home? She's excited and she's speaking very fast. Yes. Why? Can I come to your house? She says. Now? Yes. Now. Okay, I say. I need 10 minutes. I'm in bed. Okay. See you in 10 minutes. I don't understand. What's this all about? I get up, and 10 minutes later, Bella arrives at the door. She's excited. Last night, I put your video on VideoSpace, she says. What video? The video of your song from last night. What? The song? I put it on VideoSpace, she says again. You did what? I feel sick. I can't speak. Me? On VideoSpace? Look, Alex, says Bella, and she takes her phone from her pocket. But I don't look. Why did you do that? I say. I'm angry, and Bella can hear it in my voice. She looks up from her phone. That video was for you, Bella, I say. It wasn't for video space. I know, but no. That video was for you. Only you. Why did you do this? I wanted people to see it, Bella says. I wanted to help you. But you didn't ask me. I know, but I didn't want people to see it, I say. But I can't believe this, Bella, I say. I did it because you're really good, she says. People need to hear your music. It's my music. That song was for you. I'm sorry. Sorry? I say. You did it, and you didn't ask me. That is not okay. But no, Bella. That song was not for video space. It was for you. And I run upstairs to my room and leave Bella at the door. When I walk to school that morning, I can't stop thinking, why did Bella put my song on video space? How could she do that to me? I look at my phone and there's a text from her. It's a link. It's a link to the video of me on video space. I feel sick